Welcome to Kizzy's Place, where I love to learn about gardening and I love to repurpose used items. Today, I am showing you a tour of a camper that I just bought. And I had the great fortune to find this camper from a couple who are retiring now from camping because of their age, and they wanted to get rid of this camper. And I've been looking for one like this to bring to my little inner city homestead and use it as an Airbnb rentable space. So I'm giving you a little mini tour of it. It's a Jayco, I forget the year, I think it's a 1996, something like that. It's an older one. And it has some things that need to be worked on, but as you can see, from the outside is in very well kept condition. It's in very good condition for its age, and I think it is maybe even older than 96. I'll let you know later as I show more videos. This is not my very first time renovating a camper. I did one about 3 years ago, and I'll upload that at some point, the before and after of that. I was really pleased with the outcome of that. But let's talk about this one. I started taking things down and I thought I better do a before video before I get into this too far. These rugs that you see were taped to the floor. You can see that it has some old valances, old curtains, the old style type RV in forest green, which was real popular back in the day. And then there's the old couch that flips out into a bed. It has a full kitchen. They removed the standard RV fridge and put a apartment size fridge in, which I was happy about. I've already started taking off those curtains. It has a microwave. And here's a fridge, just like a residential fridge. It has a full gas oven, which they never used. They just used it as storage for pots. Here's a sink, still in great condition. Those stains are just from the bottom of a pot that I removed, so they are easily cleaned out. It has lots of covered space above the sink and counters. There's some black mold to be dealt with up in there, so there's some moisture intrusion around about in this area. Yes, lots of covered space below also. This is the slide out, and this is the main thing that I noticed needs a lot of work. There has been some water intrusion, and so there's a lot of delamination. This is the slide out part that makes the room wider. And then on the floor, there's some tile, some old linoleum, and these carpet pieces were also taped to the floor. So now I'm going to go back into the back side here. This is the bathroom. The bathroom doesn't look too bad. I just need to get some appliance paint and make that bright white again. The tub and the shower. There's some more mold to be dealt with. Yep. There's an opening into the storage below. Need to close that hole up. On the other side is the lavatory. They put in an extra cabinet there, but there's a sink which needs a little attention. Needs to be cleaned up really good and resurfaced. And then there's also another closet on this side with the place to hang things. It's in good shape. Cubby down there to put some TP and other supplies. There was a fantastic fan. It's not fantastic anymore. There's no blades on it. And then this is the medicine cabinet. They left me some peroxide up there. Of course, the toilet. and that ugly green carpet, which has got to go. And then this is the bedroom that's in the little loft part over the gooseneck area of the trailer. And this bed is a queen size bed. It is so super huge. It just, to me, is just too much bed. Just too much bed for this space. And of course it has the curtains on and the valance again. Over here is a little closet. Let's see if I can get over there and open that. So there's a little closet with a place to hang some items and to store some folded items. There are also cabinets above the bed where things can be stored. And I noticed some delamination behind the bed. That's going to have to be dealt with. But then there's another identical closet on the opposite side of the bed. Yeah, the bed is overwhelming me a bit, and it's got to go. It's just too much. There are lots of little lights and stuff on the ceiling. That's good. All right. So that's pretty much it. I am getting ready to start day 3 of my RV renovation. And I just want to talk real quick about protecting your body from all the germs that you can encounter when you're doing something like this. So I got myself some goggles from Walmart. I have a head wrap that I put on to cover my head and cover my ears and keep all the dust and dirt out of my ears. I also have a mask that I'm putting on right now to make sure that there is nothing going to get in my sinuses and my mouth, to protect that. And then after I got all that together, I also have some rubber gloves. These are kind of diva. I got some rubber gloves, and I don't touch anything with my bare hands. So protect yourself if you're going to do something like this. Okay, so I'm all armored up. Let's go rip out some carpets.